Google. Let's go get them again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to another unboxing first impression video on my channel. Today we are delving into the brand of ds&durga. Now ds&durga is a brand that I quickly fell in love with circa 2019, 2020. It all started with a fragrance with a very unique name called Burning Barbershop. I blind bought this hoping, and this is where I was hoping the imagery would match the smell. It did. It was perfect. They knocked it out of the park. Burning Barbershop is exactly what the sticker says. It's a barbershop type smell with a smoky accord. Amazing imagery. There's nothing like this on the market today. But the big star of the show for me from the ds&durga brand is this one. I got a big bottle of Amber Queso, which is the star of the brand. If you have the same taste as me, Amber Queso is the star of the brand, so definitely check that one out. Now I wanted to go fresh. I remember when I started purchasing these that I loved a fresh scent from them, but I forgot the name. I found a little sample and the rest is history, and that is Debaser. Now Debaser, I completed sampling samples on this one back in December of 2022, and that sample confirmed that this release was bottle worthy, and this is where we're at. If you didn't watch that video, this is a fig and pear based fragrance. Fig and pear don't get matched in many scents. Actually, I can't think of one, and that's where this one is unique. I love fig and I love pear, but put them both together in one scent, you have a winner. So let's unbox this one and remind me of this beautiful opening. Let's get into it. Now let's unbox this one, and I'm going to give you, of course, it's not a first impression because I did do a sampling samples. However, I will remind myself of the introduction of this scent so you get some value out of this video. So let's unbox this, and I've had this bottle for a while, and it looks like I can't even unbox this stuff. It is almost glued on. So I can't wait to unbox this one. Let's go. Finally, there we go. Debaser. Finally. So let's delve into it. Let's open this up. Okay, finally unboxed. All right, finally unboxed, and I could see the issue here was the cap came off the top here of this bottle. So let's hope that we didn't lose any juice. Doesn't smell like it, so that's good. And there we go. We got my 50 ml of Debaser, and of course, cap's got some weight to it. But let's sniff this one out. Let's remind me of this introduction. And I remember it's a great one. Scent of the day, why not? Let's go. And oh, there it is. Oh yeah, that pear, that fig, that milky goodness, coconut milk, green. Oh, that introduction is absolutely gorgeous. If you're a fan of fig and you're a fan of pear, if you've never smelled pear in a fragrance, this is a great introduction to it. Oh yeah. The pear sadly gets no love in fragrance reviews of this release. It's all about the fig because it's deemed as a fig-based fragrance. The pear is outstanding. It's on par with some of the best in the game. The fig is a fig leaf. It's green. It's watery. It's a little woody, but the coconut milk is there too. So this is going to be a perfect scent for 2023 spring and summer. It may, watch out, it may even hit some of my top lists because I love my fig and this is new to me. Oh, that's beautiful introduction. Green, watery, leafy, beautiful, even fruity, beautiful scent from ds&durga. I can't wait. This is one of the best from the brand, a great freshie. This one is going to go into the rotation 100%. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below if you have smelled Debaser. I might regret getting a 50 ml. In previous videos, I was talking about getting, I purchased some freshies that were some of my favorites, but I got the smaller bottles and I came to regret it because now I got to get a backup bottle. This might be one of those that I'm wearing a lot of it. I love to spray more. These fresher scents, I go more liberal with the sprays. So we'll see, but I'm happy to have it in my collection now. I'm adding it to my fig collection and my ds&durga collection, which is growing like crazy right now. So now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. And as always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching.